Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a simple DIY that you can easily make at home. I'm going to be showing you how to make ginger juice. Ginger juice is simply a juice that is extracted from ginger roots. So we are going to be making that. You can easily use the juice for your hair. It's very effective for growing hair, and you can use it for your baking gingerbread, and you can use it in your tea, juices, and other things that call for ginger. So I'm going to show you how you can make this right away at home. It's very simple. All you need are your ginger roots. So you can just use as many as you want. So I'm just going to go with this quantity. For extracting juice from this ginger, it's best you wash this thoroughly to get rid of sand or dirt that might be attached to the skin of the ginger. As you're washing this, just make sure you touch the corners to remove sand. Okay. Just want to make sure the ginger is properly cleaned before juicing this. Once I'm done washing this, I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces so that I can blend this easily without much stress on the blender. It's not necessary to peel the ginger skin, but if you're not comfortable with that, you can just peel it first before extracting the juice. Okay, instead of blending this, you can easily use a grater to grate this into tiny pieces. Then use a cheesecloth to squeeze out the juice, but I'm going to just simply blend this. Okay, I want the juice to be a little bit concentrated, so I'm going to be adding just a little water to add the blender to spin well. I'll just blend this right away. Okay, this is quite thick. I'm going to add more water to this. Okay, after blending, I have this smooth paste. I'll go ahead and strain this right away. I'm going to place a strainer over a bowl, then pour this inside. I'm going to use a spoon to press out all the ginger juice. You can just use a cheesecloth to press this at once. Okay, for the pulp, you can just simply dry this and process it to ginger powder, or you can add it to your tea when making tea. It's very useful and a good source of fiber. So as for me, I'm going to turn it to ginger powder. Okay, just check out the link for ginger powder. I've made that before. I'm done straining this. This is the ginger juice we've gotten from this. For the juice, just transfer it to any container with a fitting lid, then store this in the refrigerator. It can last up to a month, or you can just simply freeze this. So our ginger juice is ready. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do remember to subscribe, like, share, and leave your comments below. Until next time, bye.